Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a big one. We are finally building your first Claude project. If you have been waiting for the feature that takes Claude from a simple chatbot to an actual organized workspace, this is it. I'm going to show you how to create a project from scratch, add your own files and instructions to it, and start working inside it. And the best part, projects are now free for everyone, so you can follow along no matter what plan you are on. So let's get into it. So first, what is a project? Think of it like a dedicated folder or workspace for one specific topic. Instead of having 100 random chats floating around, a project keeps everything for one job in one place. All your chats, your files, and your instructions together. The magic is this: anything you put inside a project, Claude uses as background context for every conversation in that project. So you can set things up once, and Claude just knows the context every time you start a new chat in there. So no more re-explaining yourself. Quick note: projects are free for everyone now, but if you're on the free plan, you can create up to 5, more than enough to get started. Okay, let's build one. Hover over the left side and click Projects. This takes you to your project page where all of them will live. Now click the New Project button in the top right corner. A box pops up. Give your project a name. Let's call ours Marketing. And you can add a short description too, like all my marketing work in one place. One important thing to know, Claude doesn't actually need the name and description. Those are just for you to stay organized. So don't put instructions there expecting Claude to follow them. We will add real instructions in a moment. So go ahead and click Create. Now this right here is the most powerful part of the project knowledge base. You will see it on the right side of your project page. Anything you add here gets across all your chats in this project. So this is where you put the reference material you don't want to keep pasting in over and over. To add something, just click plus button. You can upload documents, text files, even code. So for a marketing project, you might upload your brand guidelines, your product list, maybe some past campaigns that worked well. Claude reads all of it and treats it as background knowledge. So now, if I start a chat and say, write me a promo email, Claude already knows my brand and my products because it's all sitting right here in the knowledge base. This one feature is what makes projects so good. Next, project instructions. This is where you tell Claude how to behave for everything inside this project. Click Set Project Instructions. So for a marketing project, I might write something like, you're helping me with marketing for my small business. Keep the writing and clear persuasive. And always give me a few options to choose from. And then click Save Instructions. Now every single chat in this project follows those rules automatically. You set it once and you never have to repeat it again. Alright, everything is set up. Let's actually use it. Right inside the project, start a new chat just like normal. Type your request and hit enter and watch. Claude answers using everything we gave it, the files in the knowledge base plus instructions. It's like Claude already did its homework before you even asked. That's the whole point of a project. One thing to keep in mind, your individual chats inside a project don't automatically see each other. What's shared across all of them is the knowledge base and the instructions. So if there is something important you want available everywhere, put it in the knowledge base. Remember in the last video we talked about the memory? Here's where it connects. Each project keeps its own separate memory automatically. There is no toggle to flip. As long as your memory is turned on, this project quietly remembers its own context, completely separate from your other projects and your normal chats. So your marketing project stays focused on marketing and it never gets mixed up with anything else. Now what if you already have a chat somewhere that belongs in this project? Easy. Find the chat, click the little drop down arrow next to its name and choose Add to Project. A box appears. Just pick your project. And it moves right in. And you can move chats between projects or pull them back out from that same menu. Total flexibility. If this is a project you will use a lot, start it for quick access. Open the project and click the star icon in the top right corner. Now it shows up in your start items in the left sidebar. So you can jump straight to it anytime. Couple of housekeeping options. If you finish a project but might need it later, click the three dots in the top right and choose Archive. It tucks away at the bottom of your list, so things stay tidy, but you can still open it and bring it back anytime. And if you're completely done with the project, that same three-dot menu has a delete option. Just confirm and it's gone. Quick heads up, you can't delete a project while it's archived. So if you want to delete an archived one, then go to Archived Items, unarchive it first, three-dot menu has a delete option. Just confirm and delete it. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, use one project per topic, one for work, one for personal, and one for specific client. Keep them separate. Second, load up your knowledge base early. The more good reference material Claude has, the better every answer gets. Third, write clear project instructions. This is the easiest way to get consistent results every single time. Fourth, remember the name and description are just for you. Claude doesn't read those. Real instructions go in the project instructions. And fifth, start the projects you use most, so they're always one click away. And that's your first Claude project fully built. You now know how to create a project, add files to its knowledge base, set custom instructions, start chats inside it, move all chats in, and keep everything organized with starting and archiving. In the next video, we are going even deeper. I will show you some powerful ways to actually use projects for real work with examples you can copy. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.